What's up guys, how's it going? Moto Ty. So today I'm going to be doing an installation video on these Flushmount turn signals that I just got a few days ago. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description below. Let's get to it. So these are the two items that you're going to need. First off, I have the TST Industries smoked Flushmount blinkers. To be honest guys, these have no real benefit other than just making the bike look a little bit cooler, which is why I personally went with them. The second item is going to be the OEM connector. So this basically just saves all the wiring from you doing it yourself and connects the blinker straight to the OEM connector. Okay, so first step, we're gonna need to locate the quarter turn fastener, which is gonna be located directly underneath this location. So second step, go ahead and grab a Phillips head screwdriver. You're gonna need to locate your second screw, which is gonna be in here. Once you locate it, go ahead and twist it out. So go ahead and pry this panel back. You should be able to see the blinker connection in there. Go ahead and disconnect the blinker. Okay, so you may or may not need to use a flathead screwdriver to wedge in between to disconnect the connector. Might be a little bit difficult. So once you have that disconnected, then you can go ahead and pull out the light. Okay, so next thing you're gonna wanna do is take the new connector and connect it to the OEM plug. Okay, go ahead and grab your blinker. We're gonna take our wire and feed it through the same hole that the stock blinker came out of. Once that's in, you can go ahead and take this nut and secure it on the other side. Okay, so we have these different colored wires here. The black wire is going to go to the red. And the yellow wire will go to the brown. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a quick test. And she works. Alright, so once you get that done, go ahead and do the other side before you get everything packed up. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Check out last week's video, like, comment, and subscribe.